In the module that we explained on how to upsell the deal and how that building in that buy rate to a sell rate increases your commission, how you build in your commission to the deal, we touched upon the idea that lowering your commission does not perform as much helpfulness in terms of savings to the client as what extending the term does. So in front of me, I have an example deal. Here's the constants. So you pretend like this is the original submission, the original offer that you got from your submission from the funder at $100,000 at a 138 buy rate with an opportunity to upsell 12 points and have a term of 120 days. So I basically built out a chart right here within this section that shows you what does the funded amount, payback amount, payment, and factor rate do for every 1 point upsell that you make. So from 1% all the way to 12%. Now also, if you look down at the bottom, we're considering how much commission that actually renders to you. So in a $100,000 deal with 1 point, there's $1,000 in commission there, but with 12 points, we have $12,000. This is easy math. It's 12% times that 100 grand. However, let's say that your merchant is having a hard time digesting the payment that they're trying to make, that they're going to have to make for the deal. Instead of you saying, okay, Mr. Merchant, I'm going to downsell my commission, all that hard-earned cash that I deserved after prospecting, cold calling, finding a potential offer for the client that's applying for me, I'm going to end up taking my $12,000 commission all the way down to 1. I don't think so. What we see with the delta for doing this is that the daily payment is only going to change. You see the daily payment at 12 points is $1,250 a day. The daily payment at 1 point is $1,158.33. The change is only $91.67 per day, or if you multiply that by 5, you have weekly savings of $458.33. Within this same graph, I show you what the differences are if you go to a 140-day term, and then also to a 160-day term. Now to show you how big of a difference it is, we're going to focus on that 160. So instead of downselling your commission, what you want to do is instead call the lender or the funder and ask them to extend the term. Now sometimes they're going to give you pushback on extending the term, but typically speaking, they'll always give you something. And if you want to have a dramatic term increase like 2 months, you might have to provide extra stipulations to show that it's a safe investment for the funder and that the client is willing to pay it back with no hiccups. Might be a little extra elbow grease in order to get those stipulations over. However, the payout's going to be significantly larger because not only are you going to get the opportunity to sell that max upsell of 12%, rendering $12,000 in commissions on a $100,000 deal, but also if you extend that term and you see the max upsell on a 120-day deal versus the max upsell on a 160-day deal, the change in payment is significantly more vast. The daily payment has a delta of $312.50. So you're saving your client $312 per day. If you multiply that by 5, you're saving your client $1,562.50 per week. This is a win-win for you and the client. The only person that has to give a little bit is the funder because they have to extend their term. However, they still want to get their cash out. So really it's a win-win for everyone. Your client has extreme savings, over triple the amount as what they would have been from decreasing your commission. But more importantly, all that hard-earned work that you've done is going to render a big payout. This is better. This is a great monthly payout in just one deal. And I have reps that are doing this multiple times per week.